In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Swissquote. So the easiest way to do this is by going to here where it says our top picks, click on advanced filter, go into crypto, and then you can select the cryptos. Currently for me, Ethereum and Bitcoin are available. I'm going to use Bitcoin for this tutorial, and I'm just going to click on this trade button. Of course, you could pop it over a chart as well if you want to do some technical analysis, but I'm going to skip this right now and just click on the trade button, which by the way can also be accessed from the chart by clicking this button over here or clicking the trade button up top. It's going to do the same thing. Now in here you can then select if you want an immediate order or an advanced order. Then you can select how much you want to purchase over here. You can also select if you want to sell or buy. So we're going to do buy right now. You can set your take profits and stop losses as well as your trailing stops, and then click on place buy order, and there we go, you've successfully bought some crypto. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.